Does your plant-based shake meet your nutritional requirements, help you lose weight, and help you maintain or build lean muscle? Isagenix plant-based shakes can. Our new IsaLean Shake Dairy Free is completely plant-based and dairy-free. Is suitable for vegetarians, vegans, or those with dairy, egg, or soy allergies. Is nutritionally designed with your health and fitness goals in mind. And provides 24 grams of plant-based protein from whole grain brown rice and pea, closely matching the amino acid profile of other IsaLean shake flavours. Besides great taste and high-quality protein, IsaLean Shake Dairy Free also provides good fats from olive, sunflower and coconut oils, energy-fueling carbohydrates, dietary fibre from chia seed, flaxseed and a variety of other sources, and natural, vegan-friendly ingredients. Dairy-free IsaLean Shake is now available and tastes delicious. Order yours today in your back office.